Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, giving you valuable information the media hides from you. Please, so you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. This helps our work a lot. The moon. A silent companion in the night sky, guiding tides, inspiring poets, and shaping human history. We've always believed it to be a natural satellite, a lifeless rock orbiting the Earth. But what if that belief is a lie? What if the moon is not natural at all, but a hollow, technologically advanced structure, ship-orchestrated by alien civilizations to observe us? Tonight we explore the hollow moon theory and the evidence that challenges everything we think we know. The theory begins with anomalies in lunar density. Scientists have noted for decades that the moon is unusually light for its size. Its mass and gravitational influence don't align with what we'd expect from a natural body formed from the same cosmic debris as Earth. Some theorists suggest this could indicate a hollow interior and artificial shell, rather than a solid sphere. Seismic studies conducted during the Apollo missions offer even stranger hints. When astronauts deliberately crashed lunar modules into the surface, the moon reportedly rang like a bell for hours. Unlike Earth or Mars, the vibrations didn't dissipate in ways expected from natural rock formations. Could this be a clue that the moon is hollow, a vast interior chamber awaiting discovery? The moon's orbit itself raises questions. Its rotation and trajectory appear unnaturally precise, almost as if it were designed to maintain a perfect vantage point over Earth. Some suggest that the moon's position is perfectly aligned for natural formation, as if it were placed intentionally to observe, monitor, or even manipulate life below. Consider the craters and surface patterns. While conventional science attributes them to asteroid impacts, some anomalies suggest artificial design. Perfectly aligned geometric shapes, unexplained shadows, and features that defy typical erosion patterns hint at a constructed structure beneath the surface. Could these craters be access points or observation ports? The hollow moon theory also points to historical accounts. Ancient civilizations, from the Sumerians to the Egyptians, treated the moon as more than a celestial body. It was worshipped, revered, and sometimes feared. Some ancient texts describe the moon as a shining object that influences destiny, hinting that early humans may have sensed its artificial nature. Even NASA images reveal curiosities. Shadows that don't align, unusual structures, and reflective surfaces have sparked speculation among researchers. While mainstream explanations dismiss these as optical illusions or artifacts of photography, others argue they are subtle indicators of something far beyond our current understanding. The moon's composition further fuels the mystery. Its interior is thought to be less dense than Earth's crust, and some isotopic studies suggest anomalies inconsistent with natural formation. These discrepancies may indicate that the moon is not made entirely of rock, but of engineered materials designed for stability, durability, or perhaps cloaking. Timing and placement are crucial. The moon's exact distance from Earth allows it to perfectly cover the sun during eclipses. This rare alignment has inspired awe for millennia, but could it also serve a purpose beyond aesthetics? Some theorists suggest eclipses were designed to manipulate light, gravity, or energy for observation purposes. Many proponents of the hollow moon theory suggest that the moon may act as a surveillance station. Instruments buried within or attached to its interior could monitor electromagnetic signals, human activity, and even thought patterns. From this vantage point, advanced civilizations could observe Earth without ever revealing their presence. Oddities in lunar geology only add to the mystery. Certain craters exhibit perfectly smooth walls, unnatural angles, and symmetry rarely seen in nature. While skeptics offer geological explanations, the consistency of these patterns suggests design rather than chance. Could these be evidence of alien construction? The moon's interaction with Earth is also peculiar. Its tidal influence is precise, rhythmic, and essential for life on our planet. Some theorists suggest this is not a coincidence, but a method of controlling oceans, climate, or even biological cycles. The moon, in this view, is not a passive satellite. It is an active participant in shaping life on Earth. Lunar anomalies extend beyond surface observations. Unexplained magnetic fields, unusual radiation signatures, and persistent mystery signals recorded by radio telescopes hint at hidden activity within the moon. Some researchers argue that these readings are consistent with technology rather than natural processes. Historical observations also align with the theory. Astronomers in antiquity documented changes in brightness, shadowing, and lunar behavior that modern science struggles to explain. Could these variations be evidence of internal mechanisms, engines, or energy sources within a hollow structure? The hollow moon theory intersects with UFO phenomena. Many sightings describe crafts emerging from or near the moon. And some whistleblowers claim that military surveillance of the moon reveals movement, lights, or shifts inconsistent with natural celestial mechanics. The moon may not only observe us, it may serve as a docking station or launch platform for extraterrestrial craft. Consider the sheer engineering required to construct a hollow moon. If true, it implies an intelligence vastly superior to humanity, capable of building structures on a planetary scale and maintaining them for millennia. The moon's stability, durability, and continued orbit suggest maintenance or autonomous systems far beyond current human capability. Some theorists point to anomalous craters that appear almost perfectly circular, with depth-to-diameter ratios inconsistent with impacts. These could be entry points, observation domes, or even energy conduits. The repetition of these forms across the lunar surface raises questions about coincidence versus intentional construction. Electromagnetic anomalies around the moon are another puzzle. Variations in the Van Allen belts, unexpected radiation patterns, and interference with communication signals have all been documented. Some researchers argue these could be byproducts of alien technology operating within or beneath the lunar crust. Cultural myths across the world reinforce the hollow moon narrative. From the moon as a divine eye to stories of moon beings, humans have long perceived it as more than rock. Could these myths be fragments of ancient memory, awareness of the moon's true nature preserved through generations? The moon's surface temperature is another clue. Heat distribution is irregular, certain areas absorbing and releasing energy in ways that defy simple solar radiation patterns. Some theorists suggest this could indicate internal power sources, energy storage systems, or a controlled climate within a hollow structure. Lunar eclipses may also have hidden significance. Some propose that the alignment of Earth, Sun, and Moon during eclipses could serve as a method of data transmission, energy collection, or surveillance synchronization. The rare precision of these events may not be natural but engineered. Satellite images and high-resolution scans occasionally reveal structures that some believe are impossible to explain geologically. Straight lines, symmetrical domes, and shadow patterns all point toward construction rather than chance. Each anomaly fuels speculation that the moon is not what it seems. The hollow moon theory also intersects with crop circle and UFO reports. Some researchers speculate that activity on the moon may be coordinated with extraterrestrial operations on Earth. With observation from above guiding mysterious phenomena below, the moon could be both watchtower and command center. Psychological experiments and fringe research have attempted to detect energy emanating from the moon. Reports of electromagnetic influence on human behavior, sleep cycles, and even emotional states suggest the possibility of subtle, pervasive observation or interaction. Could the moon subtly affect humanity as it watches? If the hollow moon theory is true, it has profound implications. Humanity is not alone, and we have never truly observed the cosmos as it is. Our moon, a constant companion, may harbor intelligence, technology, and purpose beyond imagination. The question is not whether aliens exist, is whether they have been observing us for millennia, silently from above. The moon may have been designed to endure, to observe, and to interact subtly without detection. Its hollow nature could conceal vast interiors, sophisticated systems, and monitoring devices. Everything humanity believes about this celestial body could be a carefully maintained illusion. Finally, consider the implications for our future. If the moon is a surveillance station or alien craft, what does this mean for exploration? Every mission, probe, and landing could be monitored or influenced. The full truth may never be revealed, but glimpses, anomalies, and questions remain, waiting for those bold enough to look. Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, giving you valuable information the media hides from you. Please, so you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. This helps our work a lot.